My name is Susan. I'm retired and I live outside of Blackburn. My father was a very keen gardener, and I think I inherited a love of gardens from him. He knew all the Latin names of plants, and when I had a house of my own, I then used that knowledge to create my own garden. I love gardening because it's creative. The fact that you plant a seed or a plant and it blossoms into a rich array of colour. Very relaxing, yes. About 5 years ago, I underwent a health check which highlighted the fact that I had something wrong with my heart. They discovered that I had medium regurgitation of the mitral valve. I realised that I was really slowing down. My garden is very much on a hill, and pushing a wheelbarrow uphill was getting more and more difficult, and I needed to do something about it. I didn't want to have open heart surgery, and therefore I looked for somebody who could do keyhole surgery. On that, I found Mr. Zacharias. I made an appointment to see Mr. Zacharias, who was such a lovely man. He explained everything in detail as to what would happen. I'm fortunate enough to have private medical insurance, and therefore I could use that for my keyhole surgery. My experience with the Alex was wonderful. The staff were so friendly, so dedicated. The physiotherapists came, give me exercises to get me on my feet again. The staff were absolutely incredible. I feel 30 years younger. I'm able to do all the things that I haven't been able to do in recent years. I'm looking forward to next summer when I can really get into my garden, actually be able to plant and tend to my plants.